Welcome back. Stop demand for drugs. Say no to drugs. The message to the youth comes from SP ANC Karthik Kashyap. He was speaking at an alumni function in Pharmaguri. He said drug inflow is greater as the demand is higher. Meanwhile, ANC conducted a raid at Arambol Beach and seized 2.3 grams LSD amounting to 7.5 lakh rupees. Accused Rakesh Kumar was caught red-handed with 250 pieces of LSD.
Now the choice is in your hands. Ultimately the choice is in your hands. We are trying our best to curtail on the availability of drugs, but till the time there is a demand, it is very difficult for anybody. If somebody wants it, he will find a way out, he will get it, he will source it from some place or other. So the onus is on us. Say no to drugs. Get high on life. Not high on drugs.
Meanwhile, anti-narcotic cell team conducted a raid in Arambol and caught one Rakesh Kumar with 250 square-shaped pieces of LSD. These pieces of LSD weigh about 2.3 grams, which amounts to 7.5 lakh rupees in market. Cash of rupees 600 was also seized from the accused. With bureau inputs, Vivek Prabhu for Prudent.
Now a look at the other events in the state.
800 cubic meter water tank was inaugurated at Nerul in Saligaon on Saturday. Tourism Minister Dilip Parulekar inaugurated the water tank.
आज येदा व्हडली तेंच्यांनी टाकी बांधली जेणे करून आज सुरुवात जाता भल्ल्या काय ना ती म्हाका दुबाव आसा भल्ल्या रे बाबती भल्ल्या न्ही हांव भल्ल्या आज भल्ल्या म्हणटकूच आज फाल्यां उदक येवपाक व्हडलो प्रॉब्लेम जावचो ना आनी मागता तेंचे कडेन की ही सदीत भरून दवर.
Sajawat Interior Lifestyle Exhibition in Margao is an attraction for consumers. The exhibition will go on till Monday, 23rd February.
हे एक्झिबिशन 23 फेब्रुवारी पर्यंत मडगांव SGPD ग्राउंडाचेर आसा. ह्या एक्झिबिशनाक तुमकां सगळे एका रुफान मेळटले. रायट फ्रॉम होम अप्लायन्सीस, मागीर जिम आयटम्स, फर्निचर, कपडे, शूज, स्वीट डिशीज सगळे तुमकां हांगा मेळटले.
Bureau Report Prudent.
In a virtually one-sided match, India defeated mighty South Africa by 130 runs. This is India's first victory over South Africa in the World Cup. Earlier during India's innings, Shikhar Dhawan scored 137 runs and Ajinkya Rahane made quick-fire 79 runs in just 60 balls. India set a target of 308 runs for South Africa. South Africa never looked in command. Ashwin took 3 wickets and crushed South Africa for just 177 runs. Shikhar Dhawan is declared man of the match.
Great one-day wins that you'll see simply because it came with such intensity and such a huge margin against a team that was considered one of the favourites. It was a wonderful evening at the Melbourne Cricket Ground.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.